Hey, good afternoon, folks. I got a new product here for you. ETMY sent it to me. This is a 4G LTE two-way radio. It's a set. So let's look over here and see what's in the box. Got two sets of instructions for me. It comes with SIM cards, but they're already installed. Listen, look at this. What does that look like to you? But that's not what it is. This is not a walkie-talkie. This thing has almost unlimited range if there's any 4G, if you're near any 4G systems. And, well, let me get the box here. So here's our backpack. There's your charger to charge your battery, which goes on the back of the radio. So you got two of those. You got two batteries, of course, because you got two radios. So this isn't your old school walkie-talkie thing now. This, as long as you've got cell service, you can talk on these. But what I want to do is I want to show you what's in the box. So there you go. That's what's in the box. Two radios, two chargers, two battery packs, two charging cables, so you can charge them at the same time, two straps, and two removable belt clips. So this would be great for families. Maybe you go camping or something. Everybody doesn't have a cell phone. All the kids don't always have a cell phone, so you got these two-way radios that you can talk on. You might be working in an event at your church or at an outdoor venue of some type, and you need a couple of radios so you can communicate with someone else. Here's what you got, 4G. As long as there's cell phone service, 4G service, you can talk on these things. So again, not your regular walkie-talkies. Comes pre-installed with SIM card. And get this, there's nothing else to buy. Nothing else to buy. Yeah, you could probably buy some more clips or maybe some extra batteries or something, but there's no service that you got to pay for. It's just straight up, buy the box, come out of the box, and you're ready to go. Y'all give them a look, and have a blessed day.